equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of installing two 4TB drives in RAID 0 on your HP ProBook 15. This setup will enhance your storage capacity and speed, making it ideal for demanding applications. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. It's crucial to work in a static-free environment to protect your components. Begin by powering down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your HP ProBook 15. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew and remove the back panel to access the internal components. Once the back panel is off, you should see the hard drive bays. If your laptop already has a drive installed, gently disconnect it by releasing the clips and pulling it out. Now, take your first 4TB drive and insert it into the first bay, ensuring it's securely connected. Repeat this process for the second drive in the second bay. Before we proceed, it's a good idea to clean the internal area of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling. Now, let's move on to configuring the RAID 0 setup. Reattach the back panel and power on your laptop. As it boots, enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key, usually F10 or Escape, depending on your model. In the BIOS menu, navigate to the storage settings. Here, you will find the option to configure RAID. Select RAID 0 and follow the prompts to set up your two drives. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Once you've configured the RAID settings, save and exit the BIOS. Your laptop will restart. After the restart, you'll need to format the new RAID volume. Open Disk Management by right-clicking on the Start menu and selecting it. You should see your new RAID volume listed. Right-click on it and choose to format it. Select NTFS as the file system and give it a name if you wish. This process will prepare your drives for use. Now that your RAID 0 setup is complete, it's essential to monitor the performance and health of your drives. Regularly check for any issues and ensure your data is backed up, as RAID 0 does not provide redundancy. If you encounter any problems, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. Finally, once everything is set up and running smoothly, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Your HP ProBook 15 is now equipped with dual 4TB drives in RAID 0, ready to handle any task you throw at it. If you need assistance at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront without any hidden fees. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.